Welcome. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave, and I am going to talk to you about another video. Now, you guys have been on my channel, so most probably you've already seen iCoinPro being mentioned. But I want to talk a little bit more about the cryptocurrency market space right now, and how you can utilize iCoinPro for your benefit. In terms of, guys, there are the three legitimate ways of earning cryptocurrency in general. One of them is buying, selling your goods and services or your products that you have so that you receive cryptocurrency in the bargain, okay, in the exchange of the currency, just like you would do a normal currency in a shop that you go to or whatever it is that you have. So that's the beauty of it, okay? That's one of the first ways which a majority of the people, you need a product in order for you to sell to get the commission or the payment in the currency that you want to get with your cryptocurrency, right? Secondly, the second best way is to trade online actively. All currencies are traded, guys, whether it's fiat currency, whether it was gold or silver or bronze, whatever, even precious metals are traded. So there's trade is always going to be a part of a currency kind of situation, and that's exactly what we're in with cryptocurrency right now. So you can trade cryptocurrency and earn on a daily basis percentage that you would like after you learn and let's say gain the skills necessary for you to achieve the results that you want to achieve. So this is the advantage, okay? Think about it carefully, because it's going to have a huge impact, in my opinion, on many people's lives the moment you start learning how to trade, something that I'm really passionate about, and you can learn with iCoinPro, okay? And the last way is mining. So mining is basically how a cryptocurrency or Bitcoin is made. Okay, it's a process of making that Bitcoin. It's solving mathematical equations, going into the earth or digital space and finding those and solving those equations in order for you to get a piece of the pie, basically. There's a limited amount of Bitcoin, so obviously that mining difficulty does go up and down, and mining is a solid way, also a legitimate way. The only thing that you need to do with mining, you need to find good mining opportunities or purchase the mining equipment yourself if you want to do that. If you're looking for any kind of mining opportunities or want to know more about what I am doing with mining, then you can click on in the description below. There will be a link to the mining opportunity, and if you want to just check out on my channel, you'll have the possibility to scroll around and check the different things. But you can only do that if you subscribe. So please hit the subscribe button if you do want to check out more videos from me. Guys, this content which I put out for you on a daily basis is not financial advice. It's just my journey that I'm sharing with you. Okay, so don't take it as a guarantee. You have to put in the work. Okay, every single business that I work with online, okay, you have to put in the work, the effort, and the time to learn the skill in order for you to implement the skill, because knowledge is power when you have the greatest assets, which is knowledge in your head, right? But the implementation of power brings you success. So the implementation of that knowledge as power brings you success. And this is what I want you to understand. So I cannot guarantee that you will make a certain amount. I cannot say that it is fixed. And in fact, I would like to very, very specifically mention iCoinPro to you guys. But I want to go on my Facebook for a second and just do a quick, before I show you any results, although I may not show you any results. But if I do, I want to just keep everything as legit as possible, because that's what we do. We don't try to, make it up as we go along, but we need to definitely take the right legal actions before I go ahead and share with you guys some more information. So just give me a second before I get into any details. So let's go down. Internet's a bit slow today, but I do need to give a disclaimer, guys. That's the reason why I'm doing this. I'll actually just go and quickly read a disclaimer from anybody's results. So let's quickly. It's Kathy's birthday today. That's great. So I just want to quickly read maybe a disclaimer. This is a private group, guys. You will not get access to this group if you're not in iCoinPro already, and you will not get these awesome things that are there in this group. So just give me a second. I need to just check on something. So if I go to photos, and I should have been a little more prepared, guys, and got this up, but I didn't. That's fine. I am doing it right now, so not a problem. Just want to see one picture of what I posted. Anything? Not recently, so I haven't posted recently anything, but it should be in one of these pictures, definitely. So I just want to read. This is some results from Rose O'Connor. As you can see, she has had good days. Small screenshot, but she has had very good days with trading, using the tools and everything in iCoinPro. So I just want to read the disclaimer, guys, to you. As iCoinPro, the iCoinPro Trade Finder and its trainers provide an informational service only and are not responsible for any investments made applying this information. The results described are not typical and are not guaranteed for future income. Any investment contains risk and is 100% the responsibility of the investor. Yes, that's you guys, to assess the risk or rewards involved. It is possible to lose some or all of your investment. We assume no liability assumed or implied for your application of the information shared in the training programs. And that is about it that I wanted to share with you in terms of giving you this disclaimer before I go into any details. If you're curious to know a little bit more, this is what we provide. We provide the education. We provide the technology, which you will not find anywhere else. If you're a trader, guys, if you're even a six-figure trader, these tools are going to help you. So I will pay attention, no matter if I'm a beginner or I am an expert. The tools still make sense, okay? And they will definitely allow you to earn income, have a live video trainings with us. So it's a continuous growth. So when you pay for this service, it's not like you're going to be left hanging. It's a continuous growth, and you're getting the knowledge on a day-to-day basis. So knowledge, technology, live training, so that's support, and definitely the income which is coming into your pocket, okay? So I want to quickly go to coinmarketcap.com, and I want to see the current state of the marketplace. Ooh, it's red everywhere, red, guys. Now I'm going to show you something, guys, that's going to be so amazing to see. Okay, I wanted to show you guys I wanted to go on CoinMarketCap just for you to have an idea that yes, we have dropped today. The price of Bitcoin has gone down to 6,926. So that is a low. That is a low for Bitcoin. Okay, all the coins have gone down. All. Okay. But am I worried about it? Do you see the excitement in my voice? I am excited because even in a market like this, which is a bear market, which is a down market, okay, I am still able to trade on a daily basis. So let me just quickly go into iCoinPro, and the training that iCoinPro has allows me to then in turn use that knowledge and implement that knowledge in order for me to get results even in this kind of a market. So no matter what it is, I'm still getting the results. So how do I do that? Okay, two things. Here you have the micro profit system, which is the training that we use in order for us to learn about the trading. And there are 4 main strategies right now. We started off with just one, which was brilliant. Then there were 2, again brilliant, and those 2 are the fundamental, and they're all overlapping one another. When I said there's consistent progress, I mean it, guys. Okay, I mean it. So you can start off as a beginner and go to super experienced trader. Now they have tracking sheets and everything, but the cool part is that they only have this software, and you will not find the software anywhere else because it is iCoinPro. And if you want to get the software, if you're a trader and you want to get the software, you need to get into iCoinPro. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the software. As you can see, it crawls. Now I can put, for example, all four exchanges, and it is giving me 283 pairs, of which I can basically, according to the micro profit system strategy, I can find trades to profit on a day-to-day basis. So, for example, give you guys an example. I'm just going to put Polo because I use only Polo. I don't use Bittrex, GDAX, or anything else. I'm just going to give you a very simple example. Okay, so let's go. Sorry, Let's go here, only show Poloniex. You can see now 5 minutes ago, this was the alert that we got. So this tool crawls the whole of Poloniex to tell me in this moment, and these are live, guys, okay? So you will not find these trades if you watch this video after 1 hour, 2 hours, whenever. These will not be the same trade, so you can't copy anything. If you click on it, it will say you can go to Poloniex directly, okay? So it'll take me to Poloniex. Okay, and it'll show me the coin. So obviously if I'm signed in, I can make the trade and everything else, and I say, hey, I profited here today. Okay, because even though the cryptocurrency market may be a bear market, you can still capitalize and get your returns on a day-to-day basis in the percentage that you would like on a weekly or monthly basis. Okay, so it's really important for you to think that, understand it, and go ahead with doing it. Implementing this action is important, guys. So this is one of the things. Now, if you're one of those people who want to get into cryptocurrency and just buy and hold, and you don't know where to get in and how to buy and stuff like that, they have another thing that we call, which is RSI Spy, which allows you to check when the coin is at its best for a good purchase, and we'll have a run through for next 1 day, 2 days, 7 days, and you can judge whether you want to get into the coin or not because of the trading that you find. So this allows you to implement a buy and hold strategy as well, not only a active trading strategy. As you can see, this already changed. There's been a squeeze for this Ethereum 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago. These are new trades, guys. So you can see every time it crawls, and this software is not available for anybody if you don't have iCoinPro. So no matter what the state of the cryptocurrency market is, I can still make a percentage of my, or I can still make some kind of increase in the Bitcoin amount that I have, the Ethereum amount that I have, the Ripple amount that I have, depending on what you want to trade with. Obviously, you can start with different kinds of coins. I would suggest with Bitcoin because it's a good way to collect more value. So in this point, what do you think? I'm going to be getting less Bitcoin or more Bitcoin? At the moment, I would be getting more Bitcoin for a good price. So I can still make the trades, and as the price goes up, then it's a good thing for me. If the price goes down, what do I do? I continue to trade. So at least I'm utilizing a skill that is actual for me, okay? That is actual, that is real, and I will never lose it. So it gives me a realistic tool in my hands on a day-to-day basis, besides all the knowledge that you have about cryptocurrency in general, the advanced strategies, the training experiences, everything. It does have a powerful way. I just want to go to YouTube, guys. I shared my testimonial actually on YouTube. In fact, sorry, on the weekly, we have a weekly hangout. There we go. And this is Jake, another member of iCoinPro, and myself, as you can see right here, okay, shared a little bit of how I love trading with iCoinPro right now because of what it's done for me, okay, because of what it's done for me. So if you don't want to recruit anything and you just want to purchase the product for the information and then start trading, great, go ahead. If you do want to recruit, if you do want to earn money from iCoinPro by sharing it, you will be able to earn as well as a distributor. But other than that, this is one of the ways that you can definitely get started with cryptocurrency, even in a bear market. Okay, and I just want to quickly go maybe to the pricing right here. So you can see that the pricing is basically $39.95 a month if you just want to do it as a consumer, okay? Or for 6 months it's around $230 US, and for a year it's $450, which is not much. I think it is very reasonable, because usually courses like this, which are not even realistic courses, because everything in cryptocurrency marketplace is changing, so often you need somebody to support you always, which they don't have, but here they have it. So again, another reason why, and this is why, one of the reasons why I'm so passionate about it. Yes, it's going to take work. Yes, it's going to take time and effort from your side to learn the skill, but it's well worth it, guys. It's well worth it. If you want to then become a distributor, you pay additional $40 US for the right to resell the product, and you will earn commissions on that. They have a phenomenal payout structure as well. So utilize both aspects and you will definitely have the greatest possibility to, even in a crazy market like it is right now, which it is, okay, it is a bloodbath basically at the moment, you could still utilize your skill to generate more income for yourself. That's my video today, guys. I hope you got some value out of this iCoinPro video. If you were researching iCoinPro, if you're not sure, but I wanted to mainly talk about the technology that we have here, which no one else does. And if you're a beginner or if you're an experienced trader, this technology, you will love it. You will literally love it. So the link in the description if you do want to join. And if you do like this channel, hit the subscribe button. We will see you on the next video.